Hi everybody, so I'm back again with another makeup video. I've just done an ASMR eating video on my channel. That's been uploaded on there on my channel. So I hope you like that video. But now I'm going to do a simple eye look with pink lipstick. I don't think I'll do some colour on the eyes today. I think I'll just keep it simple because people seem to like the simple makeup also. So rather than it being bright, that's what I'll do. So let's get started. So what I'm gonna first do is pick up my Long Lash 4D mascara. Put that on my eyes, my eyelashes. I'll do some blush as well today. Yeah, I think I'll do some blush. So I'm just popping this on my eyelashes. So this is just going to be very, very simple with a pop of colour on the lipstick. If that makes sense, I'm going to just use pink. Now I'm going to take my bronze so I'm just going to place a little bit on the cheek. A little bit on the chin. I know that I had a video to do on my shoe collection. I only have two pairs of shoes, but I'll do a video on that soon. I just thought I would do this one today, but yeah, someone requested a while ago to do a shoe collection, so I'll do that at some point. I thought about it this morning, that it was something I needed to do. I did nearly forget, but I've remembered again that that's what I need to do. So anyway, sorry. I'm just gonna take my eyeliner, my black eyeliner. Like that. Trying to get it the best that I can. Okay, like that. And then I am going to now take my lipstick. So I'm just gonna take a shimmery, no, that's not even the word, just a pink lipstick. And then I will clean, no, I won't bother. Just gonna use my my fingers to clean around the edge. Actually, I will do a wet wipe because I've got some proper wipes now for makeup. My friend got me. My friends brought me the other day. But I thought for this makeup look I would just use just a normal wet wipe. I think from when I was eating earlier, got food around my mouth. Sorry. Right, so that looks good now. And then also what I will do, if I can find it, or maybe I'm gonna do the best that I can, and sort of do like a hairstyle. I'm not gonna do too much really to it. Um, so just like that, and then like that. And then what I'm gonna now do is I'm gonna take my rainbow palette. Let me see if I can show rainbow palette. And I'm just gonna take on my finger a shimmer for a highlight on my cheeks. I don't know if you can see that there. So I put a little bit on my nose as well, like I've done on the cheeks. A little bit on the forehead and the chin. And that is pretty much my makeup complete. So, just a quick makeup tutorial for today. I will do some more makeup looks soon. Probably Friday and Saturday now. One of them 2 days I will do another makeup look. I ended up being busy yesterday, if I haven't already explained. I was a little bit busy yesterday, so I couldn't come on and do a video as I was hoping I could have done. So that ended up not being happening yesterday. So yeah, before I go, I don't normally do this on my videos, but just to set my makeup, I'm just gonna use some spray. So yeah, so that's that. So yeah, busy yesterday, gonna be busy again tomorrow. And so I should be able to do a video on either Friday or Saturday. So if you don't see me on Friday, it'll be on Saturday. So yeah, I hope you liked this makeup look, and let me know what you think. Like and subscribe if you did like this makeup look. Yeah. Bye everybody.